In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Over here. Now scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on this switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable haptic feedback when your device is muted. Last but not least, click on Vibrate on tap and adjust intensity of it by tapping on one of those options, like strong. If you want to disable them completely, click on the same options and select off at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!